Armata vs M1A2 SEP. The Armata and M1A2 SEP tanks are both advanced, highly capable main battle tanks designed for modern warfare. Both tanks are equipped with the latest technology to provide high levels of protection and firepower. However, there are some key differences between the two tanks that set them apart. The Armata, first unveiled in 2015, is a new generation of Russian tank that boasts a number of advanced features. It has an unmanned turret, improved armor, and advanced fire control systems. The tank is also equipped with a new engine and transmission, providing high mobility on the battlefield. In addition, the Armata is equipped with an active protection system that can detect and destroy incoming enemy projectiles before they reach the tank. The M1A2 SEP, on the other hand, is an upgraded version of the M1A2 Abrams tank, the main battle tank of the United States military. The SEP version includes improvements in areas such as firepower, armor protection, and communication systems. The M1A2 SEP also features improved environmental control systems for the crew, and improved fuel efficiency. The M1A2 SEP is equipped with a powerful 120mm smoothbore cannon, and is capable of firing a variety of different rounds, including armor-piercing, high-explosive, and canister shots. In terms of armor, the Armata is equipped with a multi-layer armor system that provides a high level of protection against a variety of threats. The M1A2 SEP, on the other hand, is equipped with advanced armor made of depleted uranium and ceramic composites, providing high levels of protection against enemy fire. In conclusion, both the Armata and M1A2 SEP are highly capable main battle tanks designed to meet the challenges of modern warfare. While both tanks have their strengths, it is difficult to say which one is superior without considering the specific mission requirements and operating environment. Ultimately, the best tank will depend on a variety of factors, including budget, training, and logistical support. Thank you for watching.